Namaskar dosto. I am again for you on market updates. After tasting record highs, the Nifty slammed the brakes yesterday, down 174 points at 24,542. What spooked the street? Let's decode the numbers. What went wrong on 3 June? 3 quick blows. 1. FIIs dumped nearly 2,900 crore. 2. Profit-hungry traders cashed out of private banks and tech majors. TCS slipped 1.3%, Infosys 0.8%, and 3. Fresh tariff noise from Washington rekindled global risk fears. Add a jump in India VIX to 16 plus, and you had the perfect recipe for a red ink Tuesday. Sector snapshot. Yet, beneath the headline gloom, Realty stocks partied up 3.5% this week as DLF bookings stay robust. PSU banks extended a 2-day 5% rally, riding rate cut hopes. On the flip side, auto skidded 1.8%, with Tata Motors ex-dividend and metals cooled on softer Chinese bids. Classic case of a rotational market. Now, flows. DII soaked up the sell-off, pumping 5,900 crore. Domestic money remains the safety net. Option writers have drawn battle lines. Mammoth put OI at 24,500, towering call OI at 25,000. Translation: a 24,624, 800 expiry corridor, unless a fresh trigger lands. Stock ideas. Where can money still work? Watch 4 names: Tata Motors, Dividend Catalyst, and JLR. Beat I, 760 in a fortnight. Infosys, large deal pipeline, room till PI 1620. HDFC Bank, breaking above PI 1950 flags PI 2010. And Hindalco, aluminium tailwinds, and Novelis IPO buzz, target PI 675. Global cues, tomorrow's playbook. Overnight, Wall Street eked out small gains. Europe ended mildly green, and GIFT Nifty is hinting at a 24,700 print. That sets us up for a flat to positive open. But remember, RBI policy looms on Friday, and FIIs are still nervous. Crystal ball time. Nifty opens near 24,680, tussles with supply at 24,750, and settles around 24,600 as traders square up ahead of the weekly expiry. Bulls must defend 24,500, lose that, and 24,380 comes into view. Sign off. Disclaimer. That's the wrap. Ride the waves, trail your stops, and remember, this is market commentary, not investment advice. Consult your SEBI-registered advisor before acting, as I am not SEBI-registered, and this video is purely for educational purpose. You must not invest or disinvest basis any content of this video. Happy trading, and Jai Hind. Hit subscribe button and the bell icon to get updates on all videos of this channel. Decode with Nitin. See you again tomorrow.